I really want to be a physical therapist, but I also want to make a lot of money. What should I do? If you go on certain platforms and certain groups, they're going to yell and scream, no, don't do it, don't do it. And they've been screaming this same song and dance since before I was even a physical therapist. And I really do understand where they're coming from. They're just trying to help from their perspective, from what they've done and the choices they made to get them to where they are now. And they're telling you no because they don't like where they are now. They're the squeaky wheel making all the noise. But from the opposite point of view and who I hang around, I know tons of physical therapists who are loving life, making a lot of money, love their career, and don't regret it. But they're just quiet about it because they have no complaints. They're living a good life. So I'm going to do my best to make some noise about the good stuff that I've learned over the years and how you can make a lot of money as a physical therapist. So the biggest thing I want you to know in this video is that making money and being a physical therapist are two completely different skills. And what I've learned over the years is that the physical therapists who understand that are the ones who make a lot of money. So if you really want to be a physical therapist, but one who makes a lot of money, you can do that. You just have to be the physical therapist who understands the different skills that make a lot of money. So those yelling saying, don't do it, it doesn't make a lot of money, are just the ones who don't understand clinical skills and making a lot of money are two different skills. And so far in my career, I just made sure I listened to the right people and I've done well so far. Follow if you want to learn what I learned to make more money as a physical therapist.